All right, check this out. People have been asking me how can they get started in wholesaling. So to get started, literally tomorrow or today, get Propelio. Y'all can see I'll send y'all a link and y'all send me a DM. Y'all go to regional leads. And why Propelio? Because they pull fresh pre-foreclosure data. They have data for, in Phoenix, Miami, Houston, But I'm in Houston, so I'm going to show y'all really quick how it works. So we go up here and we select the market. And it's fresh data. We already tested it out. The county and Propelio, they're about 2-3 days off, so not that bad at all. Boom. They also have different types of leads from the county. Got affidavit of heirships, probates, and appointment of trustees. Right now, we're just looking at pre-foreclosures. Let's go for the first of the month. Boom, 212. Let's just pick one. You can either download the whole list and mass skip trace it or go one by one. You can also skip trace it through Propelio, very accurate information. So just an example, boom, high equity, this is in foreclosure, and it shows for, believe this month, next month, and the following month's foreclosure. So it's fresh data. Real quick, skip trace it. Boom, they are expensive, 20 cents. So if you're doing a lot, I recommend batch skip tracing, but if you're just starting off one by one, hey, you can get fucking started today. And really quick, we skip traced it, and they use Skip Genie. It's super accurate. I know my phone's shaking a lot. It's not me. Boom, right here, Derek Davis. Let's go back to property details. We are looking for Crystal Levi's. Boom, boom, got her Crystal device. We got her cell phone number right there. Everywhere she's lived in the past. We got her whole fucking family tree, emails, and you go down the list, but it's usually, the one associated with the property address. And y'all can see here, and you just go down the list, wireless number, and then some landlines. But typically it's the first two. So I mean, yeah, there's no excuse why you can't get started. Get Propelio. I'll send you the link. It's $30 a month for fucking fresh pre-foreclosure data. You can skip trace it on the spot for 20 cents. Like I said, you can use batch skip tracing for bigger lists if you're doing mass skip tracing. But hey, all you need your phone, the software, and get dialing. And you're going to call these pre-foreclosures. And hey, Mr. Joe, I know you've been bombarded with calls and texts, from a lot of other people, investors like myself. I'm just reaching out to see how I can help. And the way we can help is cash offer, or really go down the list with them and see what best benefits them. And so we just go down the list: cash offer, listing it, novation, subject to, reinstating it. Just go down the list. And I have a video where y'all can check out, and I go a little bit over what I go over with the homeowner. But yeah, no excuse. Get Propelio. Y'all hit me up. I'll send you the link. Appreciate it if y'all use it. But this is fresh data, and I've closed dozens of deals with this data. So yeah, hopefully this helps.